Why should you do an annual insurance policy review? Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan from Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today, I'm going to talk to you about insurance annual policy reviews, or the time of year where you should sit down with your agent and review the current policy that you have in place and an upcoming renewal. It's usually the time that you want to take care of this review. When you've gone a certain number of months into a policy, it's coming up for renewal. Some things may have changed since that policy went into force. Maybe it's as simple as you moved, you're living somewhere else now. Well, that address change could really affect some coverage. You're going to want to update that. It could be that you're just in a better place financially and you can afford that extra layer of coverage or protection that you wanted to hold off on last year. An annual policy review can be the way that you uncover or rediscover some of the exposures, some of the risks, or some of the things that could happen to you over the next 12 months that you just weren't able to cover or include on the last insurance policy. So an annual policy review could be the key to covering that risk or that exposure that you're really looking for and you need coverage for this year. So at Smith & Sons, we want to do an annual policy review with all of our clients every year on personal auto, on homeowners, on umbrella, personal umbrella insurance, as well as life insurance. We want to talk to you about that risk as well. And there's some other coverages as well. So in an annual policy review, we're not just going to talk about the one policy or the two policies that you have with us, but really your broader view or portfolio of risk. That way you can be sure and the insurance company or the insurance policy can be structured in a way that fits what's going on in your life. So if you're needing an annual policy review, whether or not you're our current client, you can give us a call and set up an appointment to do that. The link for our appointment scheduler will be in the description of the video. Give us a like, leave a comment, tell someone you know about our videos here on YouTube, and that would really be appreciated. So once again, this is Ryan with Smith & Sons, and thanks for watching today.